Welcome to the Power of Prayer channel. Here is a space of faith, hope and union, where together we seek the strength that comes from prayer to transform our lives. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. May peace and light be with you. Welcome. Today we bring you a powerful prayer to Saint Nicodemus, a faithful follower of Christ who sought his light even in the midst of uncertainty. Pray with devotion and open your heart to receive courage, faith, and divine wisdom through his intercession. Powerful prayer to Saint Nicodemus. For courage, faith, and divine understanding. O blessed Saint Nicodemus! You who sought the truth in silence and humility, who came to Jesus in the night and received the light of his teaching, intercede for me in my journey of faith. Grant me the courage to seek Christ with an open heart, the wisdom to understand his word, and the strength to defend my beliefs, even in times of fear or uncertainty. Saint Nicodemus, you showed devotion by honoring the Lord with love and reverence. Help me to walk in your footsteps, living my faith with sincerity and boldness. Through your prayers, may I grow closer to Jesus, trusting in his mercy and grace. And may my heart always remain steadfast in the light of his truth. Amen. May Saint Nicodemus intercede for you and strengthen your faith each day. If this prayer touched your heart, share it with someone in need of courage and light. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more powerful prayers. Thank you for being with us on the Power of Prayer channel. May peace, love and the strength of prayer accompany you and your family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we can continue spreading messages of faith and hope. Until the next meeting, and may God bless you all.